boldly fragrant and beautiful flower defines this orchid. It has white petals with splashes of pink or purple hues. The scent notes of this orchid are perfect for warm weather. The presence of these therapeutic orchids provide tranquility and peace to our minds and brings with it an abundance of medicinal values. The entire plant of this orchid is used predominantly in Taiwan to improve blood flow, reduce swelling, and relieve pain. Looks familiar? You would probably have seen these familiar flowers on the trees all over Malaysia and Singapore, and even right in the heart of the city. The pseudobulbs of these pigeon orchids can be boiled or roasted and dropped into the ear to treat pain caused by boils or intractable swellings in the external ear. Additional fragrances such as avocado and cilantro were added into the fresh tin composition to enrich the top and middle notes. A very unusual fragrance note to find in perfumes. Avocado has a green, slightly sweetish and vegetal quality to it. It is, of course, more widely known for its brilliant nourishing and moisturizing properties of avocado oil in body products and facial care. Cilantro is taken from the leaves of the coriander plant. Like the herb, it has a crisp, fresh, green, and spicy fragrant scent that you would either love or hate. This ancient herb also plays an important role in aromatherapy. It is notable in helping to soothe the mind and fight fatigue. Other benefits include calming the digestive system, relieves rheumatism and arthritis pain, and detoxifies the body, just to name a few. Furthermore, its aroma helps to manage hormonal imbalance caused by stress, rejuvenating our moods. Looking for a fragrance that is unique, sweet, refreshing, yet spicy at the same time? This may be your cup of tea, or should we say fragrance.